So guys, in this video today I'm going to explaining 29 by 44 north facing house plan as per the Vastu Shastra. So let's get started with the ground floor. See, this is the ground floor plan, this is the first and this is the second. Okay, I already given two options in previous two videos, and this one is the third option with the another requirement. See, yeah, this one is the primary entry and this one is the secondary entry towards the north direction. Here is the provided staircase for the going for the upper floor. This is the parking space for the two-wheeler and two four-wheeler, and here is the gym space, which is the 14 feet 6 inch by the 14 feet 9 inch. It means here to here is 14 feet 6 inch and here to here is 14 feet 9 inch with the toilet and dressing room. Here is the toilet, which is the 5 feet 1 inch. It means here to here is 5 feet 1 inch and here to here is 6 feet 8 inch. Here is to provide the OTA space through and through to the terrace floor plan. Here is the dressing area, which is the 4 feet 6 inch by 6 feet 8 inch. It's here to here is a 4 feet 6 inch and here to here is a 6 feet 8 inch. Here is the provide escalators wala space for going for the upper two floor. Here is the staircase for the upper floor. Let's go for the upper floor. We are up here and yeah, we are arrived here. There is the entry. See, as you can see, you are entering from this. This is the living room space, which is the 15 feet by 16 feet. It means here to here is a 15 feet and here to here is 16 feet with the double heighted space. As you can see, here is the demarcations provided for the double heighted space. So this one is the double heighted. Back of the living room, which is the balcony space. Around the balconies area, there is the double heighted space provided. See, this one is the double heighted space and this one is the also double heighted space, and centrally balcony is located towards the north direction. Balcony, which is the 10 feet by 4 feet 9 inch. It means here to here horizontally 10 feet and here to here vertically 4 feet 9 inch. Here is the puja room, which is the 7 feet 5 feet 6 inch. It means here to here is 7 feet and here to here is 5 feet 6 inch towards the south direction. And the back of the puja room, which is the north direction, it means Ishan. Here is the provided staircases for towards the upper floor. Here is the toilet for the common toilet. Here is the back side is OTS for the unknown utilities. Here is the bedroom with the attached toilet. Bedroom, which is the 14 feet 6 inch by 10 feet 5 inch. It means here to here is a 14 feet 6 inch and here to here is the 10 feet 5 inch. And here is the attached toilet, which is the same as an other toilet, which is the 7 feet by the 4 feet. It means here to here is a 4 and here to here is a 7. This is the kitchen space and the dining space which attached. Overall kitchen and dining space, which is the 12 feet 7 inch. It means here to here is 10 feet 12 feet 7 and here to here is 10 feet 6. Here is back of the living space, back of the kitchen space, which is the wash area towards the south direction, which is the 7 feet 3 inch. It means here to here is 7 feet 3 and here to here is 4 to 7. Yeah, let's go for the first floor. We are going towards the upper floor level. We are arrived here. Yeah. As you can see, you are entering to the second floor plan. There is the sitting space provided towards the east direction. There are the drawing room space. Yeah, so it is in here. And this is the bedroom space and this is the attached toilet with the master attached toilet. Yeah, so this is the master bedroom, which is the 7 feet 3 inch by 10 feet 5 inch. It means here to here is a 7 feet 3 and here to here is 10 feet 5. This is the overall dressing space, which is the 5 feet 10 feet 5. It means here to here is a 5 feet and here to here is 10 feet 5 inch. This is the bedroom, which is the 14 feet by 6, same as in the first floor level. See, yeah, what I'm saying is, off the top of my head, I would to say yes, this two direction which is the good for the bedroom and living room and kitchen. See, as you can see, this is the second floor plan, which is the towards the south directions I provide a bedrooms and the kitchen, and towards the north directions I provide a living room and balconies. As you can see, here is also go to the second floor. This is the bedroom with attached toilet. Here is the also bedroom with the attached toilet with the double-headed spaces. Yeah, as you can see, here is the same. What I'm saying is, here is the double-headed space for living space. As you can see, to the first floor, here is the second floor. This is the demarcation of the double-headed space. Here is the bedroom towards the north direction, which is the 14 feet 1 inch by 11 feet 3 inch. It means here to here is a 14 feet 1 and here to here is 11 feet 3 with the dressing and the toilet, attached toilet with the double-headed space. As you can see, here is the double-headed space, same ends in here. This is the double-headed stairs. So guys, do you have any query or stuck anywhere, just contact us through our website and through our contact number that I mentioned on description box. Just wait for new another update video.